Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious mince quesadillas. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of ground beef, 1 diced onion, and 1 chopped bell pepper. You will also need 8 small tortillas, about 1 cup of shredded cheese, and your favorite taco seasoning. Begin by browning the ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat until fully cooked. Once the mince is cooked, drain any excess fat from the skillet. Next, add the diced onion and bell pepper to the pan with the mince. Sauté these vegetables for about 5 minutes or until they become tender. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of your preferred taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water, letting it simmer until the liquid reduces slightly. Now it's time to assemble your quesadillas. Lightly butter one side of each tortilla. This helps achieve a perfect golden crisp. Place 1 tortilla, butter side down, in a clean, preheated skillet. Spread a thin, even layer of your mince filling over half of the tortilla, then sprinkle generously with shredded cheese. Top with another tortilla, butter side up, and cook until golden brown. Flip the quesadilla carefully and cook the second side until it's also golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Repeat this process for all your remaining quesadillas. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Once cooked, cut each quesadilla into 2 or 3 wedges. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like salsa or sour cream. Enjoy your delicious homemade mince quesadillas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.